Guys, in this tutorial, I will teach you how you can convert one audio format to other audio format using FFmpeg. So, if FFmpeg is not installed in your Windows system, please watch my tutorial related to the FFmpeg installation for Windows. Just, just choose any file you want to convert using the FFmpeg. Just open the command prompt and for example, I want to convert this MP3 file into WAV format. So the command for this is FFmpeg input the file name that you want to convert to other format space the output file. So I will write like say underscore wave dot wave. I want to convert this MP3 to wave format. So just press enter and your file has been converted into wave format. You can verify it. First, I will play the MP3. This is the MP3 file and this is the wave file. You can also convert this MP3 file to FLAC format. This has been converted into FLAC. And you can also use this command for converting not only the MP3 files to other formats like WAV, FLAC, etc. You can also input WAV files and get a MP3 file as an output or FLAC file as an output. Like you have the file linked underscore FLAC and I want to convert it to MP3. Just type enter. Sorry, linked underscore, sorry for my bad name, dot wave dot flag mp3. Okay, so it has been converted, so you can use this. In the next tutorial I will teach you how you can prepare an audio file to be uploaded on YouTube because YouTube doesn't allow to upload MP3 files, so we have to convert those MP3 files to MP4 or other video formats. So I will teach you how you can merge an image with the audio file. Thank you.